In mid-October, I made a video. It was a little bit of a rant about dust, specifically the dust inhalation that the first responders and rescue workers of 9/11 were subjected to, and subsequently many of them died years later from respiratory illnesses and or cancers, and how our government left them to suffer and die, and more often than not, penniless. Comparing the dust inhalation that those folks went through to the dust inhalation that the Palestinians are enduring right now, and the consequences that just the dust alone will have on them for decades to come, right? But what I can't get out of my mind lately is the sound of the drones. All of the various traumas that the people of Gaza that do survive are going to have to carry with them psychospiritually, physiologically, and epigenetically. I can't stop thinking about what the constant, incessant, droning, buzzing to do to their psyches. At first couldn't really hear it. I wasn't noticing it really back in October or November. It's like all I hear when I watch footage. It's obvious and so loud, and I'm just getting little, itty bitty bite-sized sound bites of it. I cannot fathom what hearing that noise 24/7 is doing to their psychological makeup, what it's doing to their cognition. More specifically, what is that doing to them psychospiritually? To internalize not only what that sound represents, internalize the vibration of it, the energy of it. Obviously, 10 years from now, there will be papers written, there will be conferences, World Health Organizations will, have TED Talks about the impact of whatever. The next time you watch any footage from Watermelon, I want you to just really pay attention with your ears. Because you would have to know that shit is fucking with birds and insects, migratory pattern. There is no way that constant sound is not having a direct impact on animals, specifically birds. And just the butterfly effect of it all is it's too much to process.